So I'm sure say this particular update, wow, yeah, fan of the BuzStopBoys be and one bedroom company. And I said after several months, finally, almost mini excavator, yeah, many far SF international shippers. So to free China no. Say about bedroom. Over how months ni a bedroom na sika was a mutu and sana company no I release machine and kasa mono na omunya binti no and I say Monday me yeah the biggest YouTuber in Africa what the Maya or call site or need John Dumelo or Moko waje say or Mokoye donation drive yeah no omunya over 20,000 Ghana cedis yeah or Monday sorted out payment for say shipping company bit me release this particular machine amo na ni nyina say no ya assemble or say omoye na BuzStopBoys aba fani no on Friday you better sign alcohol around na say bibia no ya bro na in the meantime no the leader team lead or BuzStopBoys okasafa this particular incident on intino mominti asempoti a waka efa ho wabra office shipping company home office ewo jolo on Wednesday morning omode machine no etre no yes intino mominti asempoti a team lead or BuzStopBoys waka fire adidio
finally I say abrowe bu afede abrowe nya bedu na yere ni je bi say o hwe Ghana attitude na be for me me hu bebre obu a na oba pese me ese na nkofo donate bi ama no ba ye hu results ne da ba ye the mission ni idea ne different if I can say the ye ni nyina anye scan ye hwehwe nti o me once the kra na ye say kwa top pen na e say ti me kire pen no nti obi ti say Shatta Wale 30,000 cedis or the man ebi wa present mama my 50,000 ye di bi to abobo ya wie and they can we share has e go for be brave bi so 1 cedi bi 2 cedi bi 100,000 scan dey be brave obi o donate my bi ade kan bi akese e wo mu no and I make but finally dey ni ache ye ye say di nkomo twem 1 year du ba bi na say e ba say mba ha na ye fight na I say me ade am pe kra say because say nkofo the BuzStopBoys and omo scan no mudi ochina bi obi che me car na me timu a say scanner da bi entina ma ya ward one so the senate e bia no o ma me results no na omo sika nso wo mu ni hu enti say nyame adom na finally Monday no 20,000 cedis ana aka no wo de maya na omo boy nyina online for nyina but machine ni mini excavator ni nyina ne say ye koto a ye sorry ye isu shovel ni pickers no den but say machine we ho a ono be de den no tie na mo chiri ana ye prapra chiri nti obi a hwe bia na obi a boa ye bia no ye da asem ni nyina ne say Ghana no be yi a o say nyina ye boa but it doesn't end here ye siesie we na ko tam bola fifie be si wono ma na wo say Ghana is as nyankopon we hia Ghana da ya kan say wo be sesa wadwen we hu say bro ni sin wa na na adwen keke na wo ne man ho sin wo de to sesa wadwen na hu say de e kan de e ko ba nyina no in all the rhetorics in the economy you are always the victim. You do okpongudo na ho afla dia na obre. The TV8 mu the wow betwem but wo na obre. Sanso na malaria na cholera na typhoid chiwa. Wo na obre uniska obewu. Ti de e kanya na se braso 68 years ni aga na jefa hu de. Ni entena chiri entena yensa biem. Ya ye bia 68 years e hu resource. Afie nyina ye ntinsi montin so bia wo te gata mu asia. Me say ensuo na ba June July wo beti ensuo ne mframanka. The one things you want to amboa not move about student mattress. It doesn't end there. And the TV 32 inches crown 2,500. It's over transfer out the money I say because you first say you be a you must obviously put them out there. And when you go for some kind of watch. We say so when you mujidi mpo say go for the mom omuni on the by the entia or mubisano. And no crash say see a dom as baby. This is just maybe the first machine equipment in there. Your people say street sweeper. Maybe they am say 68 years and then in the age of technology and AI and also short teeth is creating beside AI and what short teeth is the amount. I didn't need that's it prior to prior coins or bright street sweeper. I bet me I juma clean it 1 kilometer in 30 minutes. Now if any nipa 100 go on air prior. You say step it up your game. For the same reason, I know because you have 2025 model of Toyota in this country. We should also have 2025 models of all the cleaning equipment in Ghana. Unless, of course, we are not serious about anything environment. Regardless that, and so environment, so and as was in a chair, utumi ne baby a wote nti Nyankopon in the Bible o ka kire Israel for say baby amutie me ba yi mo fi ha e de makọ asase a no funsu aye so ma wanka so de mo kọ heaven straight or so de mo kọ asase so nti me gidi say in all that we are doing aha asase we so na o se etra na e bo bra papa ansa na Nyankopon a extend yen to heaven e die dia asera kese nkwan de mom sempo ya so etimi di no kre na ene over almost 150,000 cities and finally see her.
Before say
Can I say if influence because me who be with Shatta online on also raise 30,000. But what the money they on the streets throw phone in GB within some period of from 3, 4, 5 hours and what means as 20,000 cities 20. First now when you say the streets, the king of the streets, Shatta, but I think then the assistant, what the Maya. Right there at the Ponglo, you be busy, sir. You have a lot of people. Yeah. Unlike if you have Makola, La Paz, and all of that. But then to be able to raise 20,000 cities right there and there, Charlie, respect to what the Maya. If influence is a human, say influence a nipa, maybe say I'm a friend of what the Maya. A Chinese word, well.
Yeah. Hello everyone, welcome. We're in a warehouse here, and this is the warehouse of SF International. And as we promised, we've delivered the excavator. We sourced for it, we bought it, and we delivered it safely into the BuzStopBoys' hands. The delivery will be done not today. We have to assemble and then do a few things and test it and all of that. And so before Friday, today, let's say Friday, it can be picked up, it's ready to pick up. We had to, remove things from here that were blocking the excavator, but it's here, all right, and it's been here for a while, and he'll get it very soon, and everyone can get it very soon. Yes. You want to see something?
So how many days are
here? A little over almost a month now. Okay. Yeah, if not a little over.
Can you tell us?
And so that is done. But I'll go the extra mile and make sure it's assembled. But that's just where I can drive, but not these ones. So maybe Kojo knows how it's done, or he'll find someone.
Okay, so why has it been long for here that it has not been assembled yet up to now?
Okay, that's a good one. Well, so like I said, the machine is for the BuzStopBoys. We do the buying and bringing it here. And so if he gives us a go ahead to do something about it, we'll do, like assemble it, but he had to pay for the shipping and duty and whatnot. And so which completed today, will be completed today. Yesterday with the Maya, thanks to the Maya and everyone who supported. Not yesterday, on Friday, was Monday. Yeah, today, sorry, Monday. So yes, thanks to everyone who came to Ponglo to give donations. But it is here and everything is done. We just have to assemble it and then we can hand it over to the BuzStopBoys. Yes.
I want to know.
Right. Yes, we have a trolley. The yellow at the back is a trolley. This is a tie for the trolley. One tie and then another tie is right there. And so we'll put them together, and then this vehicle is actually now meant for the road on the normal, but we put these tires on the rubber tires so they can use it on the road, but it doesn't go too fast. So we'll be on the trolley. The trolley has tires, and then but on site we'll be on the we'll have this and won't cause too much damage to wherever is being worked on.
Like I wanted to know where exactly would this tie be?
Well, okay. So you're not seeing it because it's put together, right? But the yellow one at the back, right? It's a trolley, so it'll sit like this, and then these ties will be at the ends, and then one side can be hooked to a car with this. Yeah. So you have your Land Cruiser or wherever, you can hook it, and then the machine will be on the trolley. Yeah. So you can, yeah, and then that's it. The details, but it's not air cooled; it's water cooled. So it can work for as long as you want it to work. If it's air cooled, you have to leave it for it to cool down and whatnot. We don't want that. We want the BuzStopBoys to be working fast and efficient. And so we just put water or coolant, and then you're good to go. And then diesel, and then you're good to go. Yes. Yes. On Friday, when assembling is done, we'll test it. Or put fuel in and put all of that, and we'll test it. Or when he comes, so we see it together. It's his, so we have to see it together. So he also gets the feeling. Yes.
Okay, so how fast does it run? Do you have any speed limit to that?
Yeah, my phone, but with this, with water cooled, you don't need to rest. The machine doesn't need rest. Just water or coolant, and then you can just go about your day. There are different types. There are ones that you have to let the machine rest after about 4 hours or 2 hours, between 2 to 4 hours. But this will just keep going. Water and coolant, and then fuel, and that's it. You just keep going.
Okay, what specific places are they supposed to be used so that at least it won't get stuck? Since the work that they are going to do is mostly of drinks.
Right. Oh, this is all terrain. Water doesn't, can barely get inside. Right? So this can work anywhere. You can use it for your garden work, for a gutter, even construction. This can be used to do the foundation and whatnot. And then we got a spare. It's a grip somewhere here. They're all assembled and all of that. We'll dismantle them, and then I'll explain all of them and their roles and whatnot. All right. Yes. Yes. So if you want to buy anything, we help you pay suppliers. We assist you with everything. We're a full bridge to link you to China or to any other country. Certification is here. Certified Martin Luther King Bedu. My number is 059 419 6217. 059 419 6217. Call me and let's talk.
So, okay, please, where are you located?
I'm here with SF International, Jolu, on the George Bush Road, just next to Suno Assurance.
Okay.
Yes, not too far away from the Jolu traffic lights.
Okay. So anything that anybody wants to ship?
Yes, anything legal under the sun.
Okay.
We got you. I got you. Right?
All right.
Thank you. Hope to see you guys.
All right, sure.